Welcome to my YouTube channel. Before I go into today's video, let me say a very big thank you to those that have subscribed to my channel. I do appreciate your support. I also appreciate my returning viewers, and if you are new here, kindly click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that you'll be informed when I upload new videos. Please like and share this video so as to encourage me and support my channel. Make una support your boy. Now let's go into today's video, guys. It seems Arsenal has finally woken up from its slumber as the team produces a scintillating match today, and guess what? It is against a top English team. A goalkeeping masterclass from Aaron Ramsdale helped Arsenal to a 2-0 Premier League win at Leicester on Saturday, which is today, as the informed Gunners climbed to the top four. Gabriel and Emile Smith-Rowe gave the visitors a comfortable first-half lead, but only Ramsdale's heroic denied the Foxes a sniff of a comeback at the King Power Stadium. Mikel Arteta's team extended their unbeaten run in all competitions to 9 games and moved 5th, level on 17 points with 4th-placed West Ham and 3 ahead of Leicester, who dropped to 10th position. Brendan Rodgers' men had won their last 4 games in all competitions to recover from a slow start to the season, but it was Arsenal who maintained their momentum after recovering from their worst start to a league campaign in 67 years. Arteta's men were bottom of the table after 3 games, but have since moved ahead of Manchester United and Tottenham in the battle for a place in the top 4. Arsenal never looked back after a stunning start. The Gunners had only scored once away from home in the league, but grabbed an early lead through centre-back Gabriel. The Brazilian scored his first goal of the season in the 5th minute when he met Bukayo Saka's in-swinging corner with a glancing header into the far corner. Smith-Rowe doubled the lead in the 18th minute with his 4th goal of the season when he tucked away a loose ball in the area after Luke Thomas's poor clearance. Leicester had scored at least twice in each of the past 5 matches in all competitions, but Ramsdale, who joined Arsenal from Sheffield United earlier this year, was in inspired form to prevent them adding to their goal tally. He tipped wide Kelechi Iheanacho's long-range effort and made a remarkable save just before halftime, parrying James Maddison's free kick onto the post before Johnny Evans hit the woodwork on the rebound and Thomas Partey cleared the ball off the line. The 23-year-old continued to keep Leicester at bay in the second half as he denied substitutes Ademola Lookman and Harvey Barnes. Thomas and Barnes went close, but Arsenal almost made the game save when Kasper Schmeichel kept out Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang's shot at the far post from a corner. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section. Before I go, let me say a very big thank you to those that have subscribed to my channel. I do appreciate your support. For more sports and entertainment news, kindly click the subscribe button and turn the notification bell so that you'll be informed whenever I make another video.